Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Ads to optimize shopping campaigns, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL ads.google.com. Press the enter key. On the Google Ads homepage, look for the sign in button located at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. Enter your email address associated with your Google Ads account. Click the Next button. Type in your password. Click the Next button again. If prompted, complete any additional security steps, such as two-factor authentication. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads dashboard. To find your shopping campaigns, locate the Campaigns tab on the left-hand side menu. Click on the Campaigns tab. Look for the shopping campaigns listed under the campaign types. Select the shopping campaign you want to optimize. Review the performance metrics displayed, such as clicks, impressions, and conversions. To make adjustments, click on the campaign name. Explore different tabs such as ad groups, products, and settings for more details. Assess the product performance by visiting the Products tab. Make necessary adjustments to your bids or budgets based on the data. Consider revising your product titles and descriptions for clarity and relevance. Check for any negative keywords that might improve your campaign's performance. Save your changes before exiting to ensure all updates are implemented. Regularly monitor your shopping campaigns for ongoing optimization. Repeat these steps as needed to enhance your advertising strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.